Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today I'm going to show you how I mix thick water for tie-dye, and this is an updated recipe. This is a really easy thing to make, and I'm going through a lot of it right now because I'm sort of on this kick for white in all of my tie-dye. So I'm making a double batch, and I'm using 2 cups of water, and it's warm water, to a half teaspoon of the sodium alginate, and I get that from Amazon, and I have a link for it down below in the description box along with everything else that I use for tie-dye, so check that out. I'm just gonna let this play out. It's really super self-explanatory. The immersion blender is super helpful, and the silicone measuring cup is awesome, and it's all down there in that description box. I just want to take a moment to say thank you to all of you that watch every day and leave a thumbs up and a comment and have subscribed. I really appreciate it. I know sometimes the tutorials can be long and you maybe don't make it all the way to the end, so I wanted to say it right here in the middle. I think I have a better chance of more people hearing it. But the more that you watch and comment and interact by leaving a thumbs up, it helps get the information out there, especially for the new tie-dyers that are looking to learn how to tie-dye. So for all of you that are supporting my channel, thank you very much. Once you get it all mixed up, pour it into your bottle, and then it needs to sit for an hour or two to thicken up. I let mine sit overnight, and in the morning it was perfect. It was just the right consistency. The previous recipe was way too thick. It was like glue, and I had to dilute it, which is not a big deal, but you want to just mix it right. So this ratio is perfect. And if you like yours a little thicker, add more sodium alginate or use less water, or vice versa. Whatever works for you, but this is perfect for me. One last thing, the thick water will mold. The longest I've had mine was about 3 weeks. You can keep it in the refrigerator to slow that process down. And that's it. There you go. That's how you make thick water. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and click the bell for future uploads. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.